Hello, this is Xinru. In this video, I will demonstrate how to retrieve data from website. To retrieve data from website, we can click Get Data and we click Web. And it will pop up a window asking us what is the URL of the website. Or we can click Advanced. We can specify a certain parts of the URL. But in this case, we are going to retrieve the table from this list of countries by GDP per capita, Wikipedia. So we're going to retrieve those tables. So to retrieve those tables, all we need is to copy the URL of this Wikipedia, and then we paste the URL. And as you can see, it is loading, and it will pop up a window asking us about the table that we want to retrieve. It will give us a number of different tables that it retrieved from the URL. So as you can see, we have table 1 and list of per capita, nominal, GDP, and we have table 2. As you can see, table 2 is the table that from the International Monetary Fund. And let's take a look at table 3. So as you can take, table 3 is the World Bank data, and the table 4, as you can see, it is the United Nations data, and we retrieved all those data. And if you look at table 5, those are not the data we want. Table 6, no. Table 7, table 8, and we also have suggested tables. So the suggested tables is Power BI suggests you about certain tables that you may need, and we have those tables suggested. Okay, so imagine that we need table 2, table 3, and table 4 because they are all data from different institutions, and so in this case we can just click load and it will start loading the data. As you can see, it's processing queries and it's start loading all those data, and it's evaluating the data. And all those data are loaded into Power BI. And now if we go to the data tab, and we can see all those data. So there are 3 columns: rank, country, territory, and US dollars, and you can see all those different data are have been loaded into our Power BI, and we can start making report based on those data. So to retrieve table from to retrieve data from different URLs is a very useful skill, because that means we will have all the data from the website. As long as the website has a table, or it has a database, or it has a CSV file, we can retrieve them very easily.